Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to send files from your iPhone to your MacBook Air M2 instantly or any Mac that you own without cables or emails? Today I'll show you AirDrop secrets that you are not using for super fast and super smooth transfer. So first you need to make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is turned on your both MacBook and your iPhone as well. First, on your MacBook Air, go to the Finder and go to the AirDrop section and you will find here your device. As you can see, a device pops up on my AirDrop option. Now open your iPhone and on the file, it could be a video or document. Simply open your phone and share anything that you want. For now, I'll simply use the AirDrop function, and as you can see, already our image is on my desktop. You can drag and drop multiple files from your Mac directly to your iPhone via AirDrop. Just select all the files, right click and choose share, and in the share option simply choose AirDrop and pick your iPhone as the AirDrop location. Now tip number 2, if your files aren't showing up, turn on personal hotspot on your iPhone and make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This fixes most AirDrop connectivity issues. And that's it guys, that's how you instantly share files between your iPhone and MacBook Air M2 like a pro. Try these AirDrop tips and comment below your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.